Actually do have my first triple digit number in the forecast for a high temperature midweek. We have a heat advisory for tomorrow, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Right now our temperature is at 82 degrees in New Orleans, and we do have temperatures in the 70s to 80s right now. The lakefront still stuck at 86, but otherwise we actually had not the worst evening as temperatures came way down with some rain. Some of you did get some downpours, and then also where we didn't see downpours, at least there was some cloud cover coming from those showers and storms. Look at the airport, made it to middle 90s and then dropped way down into the 80s, then back to 90 and now in the 80s once again. And same thing at Slidell, just about a big warm up to 97 and then spent the rest of the afternoon after some rain in the 80s. So we'll take it, but unfortunately we don't have a lot of rain in the forecast from here on out. There is one small shower right now over Bogalusa. Other than that, one shower not far from Grand Isle, but that's about it. This is our satellite and radar imagery, that one shower we're tracking. So you might see a bit of that north of the lake as that works from north to south. And we have had this weak surface front drop in. That's part of what enhanced our rain chance today and actually gave us a chance to cool down in that really hot, steamy afternoon. But this front is weakening now, washing out over us. And what we'll see tomorrow is probably less rain. A few of us will get a downpour or two. This is by noon, and then we'll move on toward 3 and 4 p.m. There's just not quite as much as what we had around today. And then by 8 p.m. we're looking quiet. Tonight, muggy and warm, temperatures north and south near 80 for lows, and then tomorrow I have 96 for the high temperature with only a 20% chance of rain. We have our last day of Satchmo Summerfest tomorrow, so if you want to make it out there, don't expect a lot of rain. I mean, a stray shower or storm again will be possible each afternoon this week. There's just not a lot because we'll be dealing with high pressure. So really hot, steamy feel on your Sunday and lots of sunshine as well. Let's move into the tropics. We have no areas really to watch aside from that one tropical storm. So we do have our fourth named storm, Debbie, and you can see the hurricane and tropical storm watches and warnings out across a big chunk of Florida. In the next couple of hours, we are expecting still some rain wrapping over some of our Florida spots here in the southern part of the state. But the center of the system, you can see, has moved out over those warm Gulf waters. And we are expecting this to continue, probably to strengthen, because there's nothing to hinder it very much as it moves off to the north and then to the northeast, drawn from a trough of low pressure. And the big thing today is that the National Hurricane Center has officially put in a hurricane status in its forecast for the next few days. So that would be a Monday landfall, it looks like, in Florida's Big Bend region. And then you can see it kind of meanders here around Georgia to South Carolina. And that would happen because the steering current may almost just kind of drop out. This is the trough, though, drawing it to the north right now. And watch what happens, though. It lifts off pretty fast to the north, and that leaves Debbie kind of directionless as we move into the beginning of next week. So this is by Tuesday and Wednesday. It's just kind of hovering in this same zone in the southeastern U.S. So what does that mean? It means it will continue probably pumping a lot of moisture and rain over these parts of Florida, Georgia, and into the Carolinas. The yellows you see here, that's a lot of rain. That's up to about a foot of rain, and there might even be a few isolated spots up to maybe 1.5 feet. So this is going to be a big rain event, it looks like, for a big chunk of the southeastern U.S. And meantime, here we are in Louisiana and Mississippi with the greens showing less than a ½ inch of rain. So we're going to be really hot and steamy while this tropical action is going on to our east. So again, the big headlines today: Debbie could become a hurricane. Florida impacts are Sunday, Monday, maybe into Tuesday as it continues to slow down over the southeast U.S. and no impacts expected here. 7-day forecast, there it is, 99 Tuesday, 100 Wednesday perhaps, and staying really close to that range into the end of next week. So just a really hot, sweltering August week of harsh heat ahead.